In this video, I'll show you how to turn off automatic follow confirmations on Instagram. This is useful if you have a private Instagram account and you want more control over who follows you. Instead of Instagram automatically confirming some people, you can choose to review each follow request manually. To get started, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. From your profile page, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. This will open your Instagram settings and activity page. Now scroll down until you find the section called How Others Can Interact with You. Under this section, tap on Follow and Invite Friends. At the top, you should see an option called Automatically Confirm Anyone that you follow. If this option is turned on, Instagram may automatically accept follow requests from people you already follow. To stop this, simply turn off the toggle. Once this option is disabled, people who request to follow you will go to your follow request section, and you'll need to manually accept or delete each request. This gives you better control over your private account and helps you decide exactly who can see your posts and stories. And that's how you turn off automatic follow confirmations on Instagram. I hope this video helped you manage your Instagram privacy settings more easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.